business technology platform. Okay, we will do that administration, but just I'm writing the SAC. SAC is a part you because in demo class we will decide our plan as per the course given on the website. We will manage according to the people they are joining, because each people they have their different areas, so we need to decide which course we will. So this is cockpit. In cockpit you can see the left side. Just a minute, I will do that. You can see my. Okay, this is BTP cockpit from here, and I think mostly people they are seeing first time, or any person before he know. The left side you can see the overview, and here are the services. In the services we can check the all kind of services available in business technology platform. So SAP BTP is a open platform as a service developing the cloud business application in a fully provided environment. See, you can see here, it is saying that you can do all kind of softwares, managing the software, developing your products, your own products. For the Fury guys, they can do with the help of business technology platform. Okay, using a set of end-to-end service capabilities and tools. Again, I'm saying before I told you the tools developers can build, extend, integrate a business application in the cloud. Now, BTP is providing you open source platform developing the cloud business applications and end-to-end services, capabilities, and tools. You can use the tools with framework, like you are saying, ABAP is a framework platform for the developing your softwares or your applications, but also SAP BTP is providing you without framework platform. So we will discuss more next. Let me go to directly BTP cockpit. You should know. I'm going to cockpit. Business technology platform. From here, easily you can sign in if you have already SAP Universal account, or from here register. If we will go to the register, definitely it will ask you the name and all your information to register with the email address. In overview, we have this screen, and lower area you can see the documentation, community, learning journey, SAP Discovery Center, Partner Center, and Store. From Store, you will register your ID and you will get the trial. Okay, now I will show you the services so you will know the what is the BTP. Okay, these are the services which we will be doing, we will be using through BTP, Business Technology Platform. Okay, here are the categories. Here is the solutions, and these are the capabilities. Now, I will tell you, say, introduction to BTP. Business Technology Platform have 4 areas: application development, integration, data and analytics, and artificial intelligence. Up till now, any person have question, he can ask, because we are going for demo class. So definitely people, if you are understanding that something you are getting the product, I will go forward. Application development dev, we have visual low code. a no code experience. The people, if they want to use the no code, they can develop. Pro coding tools, digital experience, and DevOps is also new technology that through that. Mr. Lewis, you are developer. You have idea about DevOps, or it is new technology for you?
As per my knowledge, DevOps is try to integrate operation with development team in order, yes, in order to facilitate that daily activities for integration. Yes.
Yeah. I think you have a good idea. So in application development area, now you can check that it is your area, which area you want to go. Okay. Second area is automation. In automation, workflow management, RPA is a robotic process automation, process management analytics. Okay, anybody, if he's thinking we are going for SAP BTP administration class, definitely. But I am introducing you the architecture, the what is the product and what is the usage. Administration will be used when we have application development. We are providing the users to our employees. If we have 10 developer or 5 developers, so we will provide them platform. In the platform, we have a database, and two things will be there: front-end development tool and back-end database. So database and front-end tools will be using administration, authorizations, all things can be done through BTP. In automation, if I'm coming in automation, we have workflow, RPA, robotic process automation. If anybody has a question, he can ask me, or all people know that what is robotic process automation. Robotic process automation is, please. Yes.
Sorry, one question.
Somebody have idea?
Sorry, one question.
Please.
Actually, in ECC SAP, we have workflow, the standard workflow. You create the TS, the task, and so on. I think this kind of workflow is not possible to create in S/4HANA. Only by under BTP in this area is possible to manage workflow.
No, you are saying that ERP we have workflows, okay?
Exactly. The traditional workflow, no. But now we are in cloud, so this is another approach, you know. I think in my understanding is in the cloud also we have workflow, but this kind of workflow is workflow management. This is like a future project of SAP, right?
We we are directly going to the through BTP. We are managing the tools. Through the tools, we are entering to the database of our S/4HANA. Through S/4HANA, we are managing our workflows. If our workflows are related to S/4HANA, we are doing in S/4HANA, or our workflows are related to our database management or other management. Workflows have very big subject. It's not only related to ERP.
Okay, this is the big difference. Okay, it's not only linked to SAP. We can manage outside with another third-party processes. Let's say. Okay,
outside.
Got it.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Actually, what is happening when one thing is very nice. Your question is very good. We have combination of machines, human beings, and third is the work area. The people, they are doing the work with the machines. Okay, in the machine, your process is running. SAP, ERP, or S/4HANA is running in machines. So people, they are approaching to the machines. In between, you have also workflows. That one person, he will do the purchase order. Okay, then he will do the purchase order, but he will send email to the vendor. So SAP is not providing you sending email. So workflow will link it, that you will coordinate you will link your Exchange server to your outside messages sending, other things sending. And one thing also, department to department, when area is changing, also workflow will come. Okay. Okay, next I'm saying robotic process automation. We were talking about workflow management. Robotic process automation is that you have some processes, the artificial intelligence, it will check automatically that you need the repetition of work, it can be automated. One example I can give it to you, that when from outside people, they are sending you invoice or any document, that document if coming through email, you can provide them the template. It will automatically take the complete data and fetch the data and send it to the finance the module in S/4HANA. Like if you have your clerical staff, what he's doing, they will entering outside invoice or outside PO, step by step they are entering the data. No need to enter the data, automatically it will fetch. One example I given you, robotic process automation. There will be several examples. I will give you the all examples. We will create the scenarios if people they will like to do the thing, but our course is only for administration. We will choose the example again according to that. Process monitoring analysis, and then automatic document processing, that it is automation area. Now integration area, we have process integration, API led integration, event based integration, and data integration. We will discuss in next class that what are these steps. Okay, data analytics. Now here Miss Jessica, it is coming SSC here. In this area, SSC is coming, data and analytics. Database, data management, data warehouse, analytic, and planning.
I have a question between automation and AI, actually.
Yes.
The second pillar.
Please, again, you are asking the automation and artificial.
Yes, in the chat box, I was asking what is the difference between automation, which is the second pillar, and the fifth pillar, which is AI. Because
Yes.
AI is also automation, right?
See, actually, one thing is that when you are providing and process with a sequence, this what is happening. If somebody is artificial intelligence will be used in automation also, in artificial intelligence also, but it is a different way. Both way you can use. One in is a configuration on the background. You will configure the process in a way that some the data is coming from outside, it automatically fetching from the any source with the intelligence. Artificial intelligence, it is what is doing that you can ask the question. In SSC one, I will give you. If you are writing that I need the production of last month, so it will automatically draw a graph and it will give you a tabular form automatically, artificial intelligence. If we in last column, who are saying artificial intelligence. So, but in automation, we are configuring the process using the automation, artificial intelligence. You got the idea? Okay. Okay, right now I given you the business technology platform, 5 areas. These 5 areas have different area, and each people they have all people they have interest. Okay, from
One
here
question.
we need to. Yes,
One
please,
question.
please.
So it's very important, I think, for everybody. Yeah, the BTP is great, but how about the licenses? I have heard about, for example, SAP Integration Suite needs separate license, or also robotic process has different licenses.
Yes.
How to lead, how to manage this is very important, because as architect, when you propose solution to the business and the manager always asks to you, oh, but wait, how much of the license is pay as go, or maybe by users, connections, and blah blah blah. No, about your experience, how is managing
Okay,
this?
yeah. You are saying that licenses definitely application development. We have almost all 70% free of cost tools. But when you're saying automation, integration, data and analytics and artificial, definitely they have licenses. Okay, the licenses they are providing in a way that one thing, how much you use, you will pay. One style is this. Other style is this monthly subscription. Yes, please.
This is license pay as you go, right? You said, right? Okay.
Exactly. Okay, what happening that when you are using actually you use and pay you how you are using the memory of or processor's power. According to that, they are calculating the how what you use and you pay. In a way, your bill will be the monthly. You will pay the bill. Other thing is that subscriptions, monthly subscriptions. You can calculate. They have provided the estimate. From there, you can calculate what cost will be the for each area. We will go as I open that the service in BTP. You saw here. These are the all services we will use. Here, when we will in the service, we will go. There will be the each and everything will be there. Easily you can do. You no need to you call SAP and need the quotation and how. In the BTP calculations will be there, but it will be definitely. Okay.
So
when I will
the
go to these
AWS.
services, you will check.
Go ahead, please.
AWS.
I'm sorry. I was saying that this reminds
Yes.
US with regard to how you pay for the services and everything. So that's what I'm thinking about when I see this.
You are saying AWS cloud services.
Yes.
Yeah, Azure, AWS, and Google. The three services we have for cloud services. SAP have the agreement with them, and when we are configuring anything, definitely we need to choose that cloud services. And when we are choosing that cloud services, SAP is paying to that cloud services, and we are paying to the SAP.
This is like a behind the scenes. SAP is responsible with this AWS, Google Cloud, whatever is the cloud, but you pay directly to SAP because you are in SAP configuring. Okay, got it.
Exactly. But some services, if you are actually some area like SAP is providing you the appliance, like you want S/4HANA, you want to install S/4HANA on cloud, then you have to pay the cloud directly to the cloud. But if you are going through SAP through BTP, so BTP is providing you the services to integrate or to get the things through BTP. That will be we are paying to directly to SAP. We are not paying to AWS or Azure or other services, Google cloud services. Three services are there, and these are area wise that you will find Singapore, you will find Australia, you will find America, USA. Okay.
For example, in integration suite, we have different tenants. For example, we have one tenant in Italy for incoming invoice, outgoing invoice, based in iFlow. We pay 5,000 euro. So if we want to implement, for example, Spain or another country for new electronic invoice, we must buy another tenant, or can you use this same tenant? It's possible to use,
no,
or
actually your voice.
Or depend on the volume of the invoices. How is calculated? This is a very tricky for me.
No, actually, these calculation in one class we can do each and every calculation. Right now, even right now, when I will go to the services, we can do the calculation.
Okay.
I can show you the invoice. Actually, what I have got from the SAP. That invoice I can show you also. That invoice was that I purchased the SAP SSE embedded SSE. SSE is two types. SAP directly providing also, and one SSE I can configure through BTP. Okay, what is difference? If you will say why SAP is providing two types of SSE, two types of software services. So tenant management, like you will be like SAP. If you have 100 customers that purchase, the people they are purchasing from you, the companies they are purchasing from you SSCP license, SSC licenses. SAP is selling the SAP Analytic Cloud and license. I think it is paying $30 per month, and you minimum 5 licenses, and minimum 1 year licenses, 5 licenses. So I think it will be $3,600 per year, 5 licenses for 5 users. But if you are taking, they will provide you at once 150 users licenses that I paid it $1,600. Nobody use it. Okay, but I can sell it $30. So in a way, you will be like a SAP. If you are completely using the BTP, you can sell the products. So SAP is providing the user experience. SAP providing you to sell the products. So in that way, BTP is very profitable business, that if some companies, they are taking it and they are selling their SAP product to end users. Okay. So now, again, here, actually, it is very long discussion for us for BTP.
Yes, yes.
Definitely, we will go step by step, and even we have 20 to 30 classes, different courses we can do, but we will focus on administration. Okay, this I show you that BTP platform cockpit. Okay. And in that cockpit, I told you that these are the services. 96 services we have. Until now, you got the idea, or just I am talking only? I need to ask you, because if you need, you understood, okay. Otherwise, I need to explain more about BTP.
I think BTP is a complex, I mean, a complex area, but I think for me, it's good understanding.
Okay,
I don't know the other participants.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I will. Okay, let's go directly to the this services. Okay, one thing, people, they are saying ABAP environment. This is the ABAP environment that you can use your ABAP environment. See, here is the estimator, add the service and estimator. You can estimate what is the price, and this service, if I click it, all people, they are interested to, we should check the ABAP environment. So I will check the ABAP environment. I think all people, they know the ABAP environment. So I'm going here, clicking. In ABAP environment, we have overview here. It is saying develop ABAP cloud app and extensions leveraging innovation of S4HANA. No, SAP HANA. What is SAP? SAP HANA is a database, our database. And the database, SAP HANA is providing very strong development for ABAP. Okay, your ABAP environment, before people, they were using ABAP in SAP GUI, graphic user interface. But right now, this ABAP environment you can use in Eclipse also, SAP HANA Studio, or BAS, Business Application Studio.
Also, Visual Studio Code is possible, right? Actually.
Yeah, and again, please.
Actually, Visual Studio is possible to use also.
Yeah. Yes. And see, this is Eclipse. I'm opening it. Just I'm showing you the tools that you should know. It will take time. Okay, I will go that. Okay, here we have overview. So here SAP is saying develop. After this, you will really know that what are the services we will use through BTP. This is one service. Other services I will also show you. And then third, I will tell you the scenarios. From the scenarios, we will choose for the next class how to operate the class for the scenario. In scenario, you will completely build an application. If we are going in SAP BTP ABAP environment, that in ABAP you can build an application and to end run it and apply it, deploy it anywhere. So develop SAP ABAP application in cloud, extend SAP and non-SAP application, utilize the modern development toolset, manage the code lifecycle and migration, custom and code. So it is telling you that what is SAP BTP is providing us. Pricing. Here is the pricing. See, you are saying, Mr. Lewis, that calculations. It is saying hour of persistent memory in 16 GB blocks. It is euro 0.549.
Wow.
Okay. Hours of runtime memory in 16 GB block. EUR euro 1.92. In a way, you can estimate the prices. But SAP, you are using the ABAP Business Application Studio free of cost, but it will not cost you for the small application. For S/4HANA, if you are building your own applications, then definitely they will charge you more. So related mission.
I have a question here. The cost is very important for everybody. I think the pricing, as you show you, could you go in the pricing, please? The pricing is calculated. One is the using the tool, as you said. This using the tool is free or okay?
The tool is free. You will get all the tools free when you are actually running that application to use it. Then it will be charging you. It is saying this agreement is a cloud platform enterprise agreement, yani CPEA.
If you go pay as you go, okay. If you go, please.
Pay as you go service plan for the pay as you go. See, here is a different price right now.
Okay, to plan, no?
Yeah. And trial you have free shared. In a trial, this service plan is included SAP overall business technology from contract. So these are the three. Please.
What's happening if I develop in Visual Studio or Eclipse, which is a free? Then after that, I upload my code into the BTP. It is possible. Then I can save money, no? Or it's not.
And actually, see, in Eclipse you can develop, but some limitations are there. But you are saying some limitations mean that you need to, because the old tools are not expired. You can use it, but I'm saying if you are driving a car, manual car, if you are shifting to the auto car, these are the things only I'm telling you. You can use it definitely. If you have money, you can go.
No, for example, in Visual Studio Code, there are some plugins, no, some functionalities similar to Visual Application Studio. Then I try to develop some Wi-Fi and so on, or data or HANA. It is possible, no? After that, I need to upload the code manually into BTP Cloud. That's maybe I can save money, no? I'm thinking, no? But the idea is to have some standard way how to do, no? Yeah.
Actually, if you are expert, because see, I am expert for business intelligence, business planning consolidations. Okay, you are finance guys. These products are very nice for the financial guys. Business planning consolidation and business intelligence. Okay, business intelligence and BPC both are on-premises premise products. Okay, these products have different tools to provide the financial overviews, financial dashboards, financial graphs, financial forecastings, budgeting, and predictions. But SAP, what it did done, BPC was a third-party product, SAP purchased it. Business intelligence was Bob J, and it was also third-party product, SAP purchased it. Now, what SAP done it, SAP developed it, and now they discontinue their support to these products, and they totally developed their own product, SAP Analytic Cloud, at one area, one platform, only with SAP, no premise. On premise, you cannot install SAP Analytic Cloud because its name is a cloud. But in SAP Analytic Cloud, SAP is keeping all software area at each and everything with them. And we can take that SAP Analytic Cloud to our company, but SAP will have all the data.
But sorry to interrupt. In
this
this case, is totally replacing the business warehouse, right? The BI with this with this new product. Yeah, okay, yeah.
It's totally business warehouse old. That is totally different.
Yeah.
And you are fetching the data. Why it was totally different?
That's my question. Yeah.
Because why it was totally different before when the SAP guy scientist, he developed the S/4HANA in-memory technology. When they developed the in-memory technology, they shifted all products to the cloud. Before, when you are saying that old business warehouse, it is very difficult because you are fetching the data. And you are fetching the data to the cloud pool, and from there you are getting, and you need to fetch the data. But in SSE, it is a live in-memory data that you can get all analysis or predictions or a forecast within a second, within 10 seconds, within 30 seconds. So they totally change. Yes.
Sorry, it means every consultant business warehouse, which are specialists, must migrate to analytics, no?
Yes,
SAP.
yeah, exactly.
Oh,
right now, you can see the big challenge for this world right now. Big challenge, big data. A lot of data. Okay, when I am doing as an analytic cloud consultant in a company. When I joined last 2 years before, their profit that year, when I provided all kind of predictions analysis for the financial CFO and directors, how much they got the profit increase, 162% profit increase in that year, that fiscal year. How? Because right now, as the analytics, if you are saying analytics is a big subject, but it is not only with SAP. Oracle have Microsoft, they're providing business Power BI and Click. You will find a lot of products, but what is happening now? When your company is right now, what you are doing last year, what you done, you can explore your mistakes, and you can plan for what you are doing, and you can predict after 5 years how much you can do the profit. So now all companies, they are moving to analytic area. Can you believe SSC consultant jobs through KPMG? This is consulting company. They were asking 350 jobs. Can you believe? SSC consultant.
Wow.
And America, in American and European region, 350. You can go to your LinkedIn profile. You just click on that I need SAP SSC consultant area. You will find a lot of it. Okay. No, I have all people. You are from finance, okay?
Yeah.
Mr. Persona from SCM. Okay, Jessica from MM. No, she is from FICO. Jenny from it's MM, material management. Now, your target what is your target? You want that your career should be best way. You should earn more money, and you should stand not in a mob. You should stand differently. The company should ask you join us. So you need to go to the analytics. And also one thing I'm telling you, development area is very tough. You need to develop, and I don't know the age of people, how many, almost all people are above 30. All people, they are joined here. They joined here.
Yes.
And yeah, most probably all people, definitely people, they have 20-year, 15-year or 30-year experience, definitely above 40 people, mostly all people. So when your age is 18-year above, you are going to 40 years, you are very good in development. Gradually, if you are getting the experience, you should go to the analytics area. Analytics area is beautifully give you the very less hard work, and you can earn more money. You can get also interacted with higher level management, directors, owners. If you are developing, you will be the behind the scene. So in a way that you can choose your field, it's up to you. But we have 5 areas. And second thing, artificial intelligence, integration, and that analytics area. These, just a minute, I will come here. You can see here. Other than development, you have these 4 areas. Everything SAP configured it. You have to train the people only. And you can get expertise within 3 to 4 months in all these 4 areas.
One question, sorry, for AI. To be honest, no, I think it's more for data science, because my understanding is you must elaborate models. In the models, you need to train. Let's say, for example, if you want to to detect some pattern in order to machine recognize based in the algorithm machine learning or network neural, this kind of things is more for person like has a background as a data scientist. Is good my understanding? Or
okay, you're saying right, but I'm again saying no wheel is invented already. We no need to invent new wheel again. Okay, SAP is providing you the best practices. You can see here
yes.
What is written here: pre-built business AI models. You have pre-built models, you have to use it. And I can show you the SAP is providing you, just a minute. SAP is providing the best practices, all softwares, all processes already built, like finance. You have financial, all softwares, all business process already they build it. I think you visited the business process Ignavio Business Process Explorer. Any process, right? No need to build it again, but you have to fit it to the company according to you are taking from the business, and you are fitting it to the business process. Okay, please go ahead for a question.
Yeah, that's the point. No, when the business required to, okay, please enhance this functionality, you must know about that, how to enhance the model or train the model. I don't know. It is based in which language, is Python or
Definitely.
I don't know.
Definitely, without experience, nobody can do anything. You're saying like if I CEO consultant, if I give him the best practice process, he can understand. Okay, material management consultant can understand procurement area business best practices. And these artificial intelligence definitely needs some hard work, but we can focus only for 3 things. Okay, automation and data analytics. Okay, but integration also needs some area, you need some development. APIs, SAP also pre-built already, they build the APIs. So you can do also in this area. So if we more filtration, right, then the best area is the data analytics. Please, yes. Right.
So what I'm saying, as it is SAP BTP Administration Demo, right? So I would like to request you please look more about the administration part. BTP.
See, actually, you are saying BTP administration area. I cannot start at once because we are understanding the architecture of BTP. Our next, we will move to the administration. Right now, we are going to the BTP trial, and from there, we will go to the administration. Okay.
Oh, great.
Otherwise, I can directly start it to BTP people. If they don't know the BTP, because first of all, I took the introduction from the people that already some people, if they have BTP idea, okay, no problem, I can start directly. Let us focus to the BTP. Now from here, trial, how to take the trial. Services, I given you the idea for the services, okay. You can go to the BTP cockpit and you can browse the services, okay, clear? And from here, categories, solutions, and capabilities. Okay, now how to get the trial account? Should I tell you or you will do yourself? From here, you can go through the register. Okay, click here to start your trial. Okay, because already I done my all email addresses registration, so you can do and you can get the trial. When you will get the trial, how to log in? Let me log in to the SAP BTP. Fine. Okay, here I have right now website region, services, and notifications. Regions, as you told you, we have we discussed AWS and other services for the cloud services. So these all are regions because they have their own area. You can say Australia, Sydney, AWS, Australia, Sydney, also Azure, AWS, and these all are the cloud services, Google Cloud Platform. Okay, I'm going to the my trial account. Okay, here is my trial account. Okay, and I can from here I can create sub account directories. I have to give you the lecture about that what is the directory, but it will take too much time. But I'm going directly to the BTP architecture is like that. Global account is here, and directory one, because you have tenant and subtenant, how you are giving the accounts to the your company or other company at company code level. So we are not going in theory, and directly I'm going to the here to SAP BTP area that you should know. Here, resources provider, boosters. Prepare the account for BTP trial ABAP boosters. Setup boosters. What is the boosters? Boosters are that you have just like if you want to prepare an account for ABAP trial, to directly it will start. It will give you complete procedure. Set up account for SAP automation pilot. Set up business account for entity recognition. So here we have landscapes. In landscapes, we can add the systems. If we add the system, I need to count from when we will add system here, then we can do the administration area. administration we will do for that SAP HANA database and its health, its users, its management, complete management we can do here. But I need to again set up do the things for the next class. So we will do in the next class, inshallah, if the people they will register. Entitlements are that assignments, which services we are using, service assignment here. Okay, now I have this sub account and I will go to this sub account. When I will create the sub account, in sub account I can take the services, I can use the services. The here this area I have 84 entitlements. In this entitlements, that these are the services that we can use it here. Okay, before I told you that I have a trial account here. I'm going fast, or it is okay for you people? You can getting your, because the screen watching, it should be very slow, because I'm expert, I'm using several times, so I'm going very fast. So I will do more slowly. You are getting it or not? I think all people they are getting. Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
See, this is the main page. Here I at the trial account, main trial account. I entered it here. So here I have sub accounts. I will have here 10 sub accounts. When I will enter to the sub account, then I will go to the administration area. Now here I will administrate my areas, that is enable Kima, disable actually Cloud Foundry. Cloud Foundry have all libraries of our development. So I create, when you will take you will create a trial account, you will find all these will be configured, and you will create here space for the dev. So what is the space? On the space, you will define the space for each developer. Each developer will develop on that space. Actually, this is new concept. I'm going for you directly some simple things. I'm not taking more hard work. Yes, please.
The dev space, this is a trial, you don't pay nothing, but in the production real scenario, you pay for each step, for each space, or how it's?
Yeah. Your question is right. Dev space, actually, I created just for my this account. See, sub account, I have trial account. If I go back, just a minute. If I go back, this area I created for one developer.
Exactly.
One developer, all his work will be saved in this area. If I create one sub account, like here, okay, I will give you, okay, I will create for you. Okay, USA or Singapore. Create. Okay, it will take time to configure it. No, everything you will do, I will create user for you. You can access only this Lewis area. You cannot access other space.
But the company pay for this space, for this sub account, or for each space? I want to understand.
Exactly. This actually, you have your company have account. Okay, you have subscription, or you are paying as you use, or you have per usage, memory usage, depending on memory usage. These space will be a complete, actually, before, when we were using the VMware, right now, actually, technology is changed. Before we were using VMware. You can say it is a VMware, but VMware is now old technology. Now it is saying containers. This container will take your all commands. It will send to one server that have all services.
But I pay per container, or how is the modality to pricing?
No. You will pay not for container. You will pay for a subscription or for memory. How much memory will be used?
Okay.
Before we calculated the cost for that, but this is actually commercial part. We will not discuss it.
Okay,
Definitely, if we need yes, commercial part. But actually, I was doing it, so I got it. That so I am telling. Otherwise, just a minute. I'm here. Okay. Okay. See, it's your space is created.
Yes.
If I'm going inside it, I will enable the Cloud Foundry. Okay. This also, see, instance, 0 instance and subscriptions. As I will take the services entitled from here, I will create instance here. I will go here. In trial, I created already some instances, 2 instances. Here you can see instances here. This is administration, a BTP administration. What Mr. Zahir he was saying. I come to it. See, business application studio. This business application studio, if I want to use, I will go click here. Directly it will open. So I configured this tool here through BTP. See, now we have, see, now I created this business application studio. I will create space for dev. I'm saying dev. My name is dev. Even I can say Louis 1. I can put my name, any name, no problem. I will create here. Now here I have all kind of development. Fury, full stack, cloud, as for HANA native, SAP mobile basic. So these are all services I will use in business application studio. I think now you will feel that you know about something about what is BTP. Okay. And second thing, second instance I will check, which is, okay, if I want to create here instance, but actually I already created 2 instances, will not be, because trial they are giving only 1 instance. I will enable this. I will select from here. It is saying standard. It is not giving me the trial, because trial only 1 allowed.
You enable Cloud Foundry for container, right? Or
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to instance. Okay. In the instance, now I will take the service, which service I want to use. From here, I will create. Select the service. All services are here. But I cannot create second one. From here, if I basic information, parameters and review. So because I created already, because in demo class, or I cannot go step by step, because I need to give you overview from start to end in demo class. Okay, here is the security, administration, users. Here I can create the users. My user is here. You can see user is here. Okay, and these are the roles and role collections. What are the roles? These roles we can, these are all administration area, but gradually administration area will extend when we will add the services, or for all kind of services, because when most probably when you are a BTP consultant, so company is saying, okay, create one a user, two spaces for two developers, they will develop Fury. Okay, two user, you develop, create two user for a app. Okay, two users for mobile applications. So in way you will create and you will extend, and then authorizations. These authorization you have to create the roles. So roles are given here. You can create your own roles. Trust configuration, that trust configuration, why trust configuration? Because when you are providing the all kind of users, they are connecting to your services, definitely they are connecting through internet. So through internet, when they are connecting, so we need to put their certificates and other things. So these kind of things required to do the all the things, settings and
One question, sorry.
installment.
Sorry, one question.
Please.
It seems like a basis team, no? Because security roles, my understanding is the basis team. How is in the reality, in real scenario? The basis is two person, one the BTP consultant, another administrator BTP, or one person do the two roles? It's not clear for me the how is.
Actually, Mr. Lewis, you have very good idea about the products, and you exactly got the idea that you can say one basis consultant sitting, creating the dev server and production server, quality server, and he's managing, he's copying the servers, he's doing all the things. BTP is actually basis consultant assignment, and he is doing all the things, and more, the basis consultant have one cockpit. From through that cockpit, he is managing all the things. Before basis consultant, he was doing a lot of job, because his more energy was going for the platform, for hardware, for the operating systems. Actually, he was doing a lot of things related to Windows, Linux, other things. No, these things removed, totally removed. Now we are in BTP. Did you saw Windows? No. Did you saw any Linux? No. Because what is happening, platform as a service is a beautiful thing, because it is removing all the things from hardware, operating systems, VMware, everything they remove. No, you have on the top of it, you can do all kind of services, development. Actually, in a company, if you think about old structure of SAP infrastructure, server room, all things, basis consultant, who he's taking 4 days to install the server and making it. Right now, within a minute, it right now you saw that within a minute they created the space, dev space, and no need to install operating system. Directly, we are using from the web base application studio, business application studio, very fast, very fast. Otherwise you need a lot of practice for that. Okay, Mr. Lewis, got the
But actually, in BTP, in the real scenario, in the company, the basis is more fit more for this role, no, to create role collections. But I think is there another consultant, let's say CPI consultant, integration consultant, intelligent artificial consultant, coordinated with this guy, with this basis security, no? This is my understanding. How is the reality in BTP, no?
No, actually, if you are saying developing country, definitely one person they hire. Okay, you are the basis consultant, you are the integration consultant. You will do everything. We will give you. Okay, okay. If you are saying developed country, definitely company style will be different. They will give the assignment to one consultant. Okay, I'm saying that some areas, some people, they are working on material management. Okay, but next company they will work on warehouse management. Okay, right now I'm working in a company. We are managing 8 company code level configuration and all business processes. But internationally, you will see one company code. They will pay you salary for the one company code. You are responsible for the one company code. Roles and responsibilities according to budget company they are providing. Definitely BTP is only for the basis consultant. If basis consultant is taking care for all the, actually right now you are seeing only the small level users, but when you have 5 to 7 servers, SAP HANA databases, you have need to check their health. Because in the start we saw that here adding the system. When we are adding the system, just system landscape. In system landscape, we will add the system. If we have here 10 systems, here if you see 20 SAP HANA database system or 3 systems, so how you will manage? Okay, some systems databases are on cloud, some systems are on-premise. You can all manage from here.
That's why this area is totally, I'm feeling they totally is for basis guy who must specialize who specializes in BTP administration. And what's happened with another consultant in BTP, because basis just to configure the roles, the title, whatever needed for development or integration, whatever the servers, but after that coordinate with another consultant in BTP like integration suite or development, whatever it is. Is correct?
Yeah. Very good. Okay. I think I will close here, and you people, if you want to register, because it's very good technology, you can use it, you can build your careers here. And what I'm saying that we are providing you the coaching, not training. Training means that one-sided training. We don't care. People don't care giving the training, you learn or not learn. But from our side, we will give you assignment in a way, like if somebody want to do the scenario. Okay, I will tell you the scenarios. I will just give me 1 minute. Scenario based. What is scenario based? If one tool like SAP Business Application Studio, that tool I can give you the training how to use that tool. Okay, but when to use the tool, that is more important. And with the example to use the tool, that is important. These assignment will be given. Like here, I have I have a lot of scenarios I written for that we will do according to RIA. Here I say 61 number scenario. Use the machine learning to get a recommendation based on user browsing history. What is area? Business technology platform area. Okay. We will do the practice complete. One, I think I will show you area here. See, it is what is saying, create an application with SAP Build Apps. SAP Build App is a totally graphic level application development, no coding. Okay, we will create an application with Build App on SAP BTP. The application created in a browser can be used with the previewer app on the scan the physical. Okay, these are the scenarios. Okay, here extend SAP success factor on SAP BTP with SAP Cloud Application Programming Model CAP. Area, what is area? SAP Cloud Programming Model. Here mobile kit, here the Cloud Application Programming Model. Here yes, here Mr. Lewis, see, build a mobile app with API management. This area, which area? SAP Integration Suite. Get on the board to SAP Integration Suite trial account. You will learn how to start your SAP Integration Suite trial, how to subscribe service and assign user role, how to provision the activate the capability. It means that you will build an app end to end. That will be the practice. How you will do? Completely, we will guide you each area, and you will be expert for which area you will get the training. You will be expert. No need to directly you can apply for the job when you will be expert for these things. Otherwise, if you are taking the training, okay, if let's say 20 hours this training, first hour you get the training, okay, between first hour and between first session and second session, if you did not work, you did not took the assignment, how you will be developing your knowledge on the base of first lecture? No way. Okay, first lecture. In the second lecture, what will happen? You actually, some level, your mind will skip the first lecture things. In second lecture, you will feel bored. In third lecture, you will feel that I'm not learning. So you will be demoralized. So, but my training style is that I need that each person, if attending the training, definitely he need to be expert for that area which I am giving the training. So definitely you need to work between the hours, but all people, they are doing the job. Definitely they will not get the time between the weekdays. But this will benefit you in a way, because between one lecture, two lecture, third lecture, definitely you need to do hard work. Then you will be expert, inshallah. So I will close here. So the things I given you. So we provide the trainings, okay, in a way that coaching, direction, success, advice also will give you during your job. If you have, you feel that I need the help, definitely we will respond you. Because if you are switching to the job, new area, we will create a community, small community. In that community, you can learn from each other, you can ask from each other. So do not think that we will take the money and after that we will not know you. No, definitely we will be with you until end, when you will be expert at level. Thank you for all. And now I'm closing this. Mr. Zahir, I'm closing the session.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And I appreciate all the experienced people. They bother to listen me. And thanks a lot. One thing I want to show you here.
Guys, please tell them that it will be the weekend batch, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, 2 hours. And
okay.
Yeah. And then please reach out to me for more subscription and all, of course, later. Okay. For enrollment.
Okay. Next Sunday again. Okay. Roadmap. We will design our course. Actually, the course will be designed not